Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. We're back once again here at Spotify Camp Nou as construction activity resumes around the stadium after recent match days. With no work taking place on the day before the game or on match day itself, today marks the return of on-site activity. Let's get started. We begin today in the south goal, where activity is more noticeable than elsewhere. Several elevated platforms are operating around the large black structural beams, where workers are applying anti-corrosion paint to bolts and connection points rather than installing louver supports. Some beams are already complete, while others remain in progress. Further along the south goal, platforms are active near stair structures, with crews working at different heights. While a few louver anchor points are still missing, most supports are already in place, leaving only minor gaps. Beneath the seating, interior spaces continue to progress steadily, especially around access cores and future elevator shafts. From here, we move to the lateral facade, where an important change is visible at the parking ramp entrance. After the removal of the previous wall, concrete works are now complete, creating a wider and more organized access point. Nearby, prefabricated components for the compression ring are staged and ready for installation. One radial beam remains in position, while another pillar is now fully prepared for lifting, indicating that the next structural phase is approaching. Along this side, many louver panels remain staged, with most of the structural framework already complete. The remaining gaps are mainly concentrated around stair areas where additional supports are still required before final installation can move forward. If you're enjoying the update so far, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds. It's completely free, and your support really helps the channel. We then arrive at the north goal, where progress continues at a steady and well-coordinated pace. Workers are active across multiple levels, focusing on facade supports, internal walkways, and access routes. Prefabricated seating elements continue to be installed, gradually filling remaining sections, while louver supports are clearly visible along the lower facade. Although some diagonal structural elements are still missing, the overall form of the north goal is now clearly defined and moving closer to completion. Next, we move into the Tribuna area, which is noticeably quieter today. Machinery activity remains limited as the site resets after recent match days, but finishing work continues steadily in the background. Terrace areas have been largely cleared, opening up the space and preparing it for the next construction phase, while workers carry out small adjustments, inspections, and surface preparations across the structure. Finally, we head to the diamond area, where glass installation remains on hold for now. Glazing panels are still stacked and staged neatly along the facade, unchanged since the previous update. While there is no visible progress today, all materials are clearly ready, and once installation resumes, this section is expected to close very quickly. That's where we'll wrap up today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. Even on quieter days, progress continues across the stadium. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back very soon with more updates here on MegaVerse Builds.